Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let me recap calls for today's session. First call was by ICICI Bank at 628.50. This is the daily chart, and as you can see, stock price opened at 628.75. Unfortunately, which means that I have to write result as gapped up. Second stock was by UPL at 628.10. Unfortunately, once again it gapped up at 630.50. I am going to copy the same result for UPL as well. So third stock was sell Tata Steel at 702.15. Tata Steel. As you can see, 702, the stock price gapped up by a mile and did not even came close to hitting the entry level. Entry level did not hit. Fourth stock was by Tata Chemicals at 765.10. 65.10. Once again a huge gap up opening spoiled our analysis. Hence I am going to write gapped up. So this is the summary of today's results. I gave you 3 to 4 calls in my Telegram channel as well, and if you have booked some amount of profit as well as loss, please let me know in the comment box of this video. As you know, tomorrow is holiday, hence the stock which I am going to analyze one by one are valid for Friday's session. Let's begin the analysis one by one. First stock is Tata Motors. I'm going to zoom in a bit. This is a long range bearish candle, and in today's session we can spot a bullish candle, and the most important thing about the formation of today's bullish candle is that the entire range is contained within this long range bearish candle, which means that in today's session price was fluctuating back and forth, and this two candlestick pattern also called as inside day pattern. And the most important thing is low volume activity in today's session as compared to previous day's session. Now we have found out that today's session was all about correction. It's time to find an attractive entry level. I'm not going to take any chance. You can enter below low of these candles, which can be around 319.95 or somewhere around low of today's session, and I think that taking entry at the low of today's session is most safer option, and I'm going to go with that. You can experiment and see which entry level works for you. Second stock is none other than Adani Enterprise. You can see the daily chart of Adani Enterprise. This is the high, and as you can see, Adani Enterprise tried to break the high multiple times, but since last 4 trading sessions, we can see that the high is kind of getting lower, and as well as the low is also getting lower as well, which means that there is some amount of selling pressure. If I go to hourly chart, I'm going to zoom out. We can draw a support line, and I'm not going to take any chance by trading below the low of this candle. We are going to find lowest low of 4 trading session, which happens to be the low on 5th March. And one thing that we can easily see here is there is no relevant support level before 872, and if that is also broken, we should not find any support before 852.25 to 852.50. So this can prove to be a multi-bagger trade. I'll show you in 15-minute chart how price, and this is what I am looking at. This was a high. Again, this was a high of the retracement which did not break the previous high, and once again the high of the latest up rally did not break the high of previous up rally. And also, most important thing, the low is also getting lower, and if this low gets even lower, we should see selling. As I have been saying multiple times in last 3 to 4 videos of mine, that stock price falls faster than it goes up, and we can benefit that, and we can just continue let the stock price dictate by keeping a trailing stop loss close to our buying price, so that we can gain almost 25 to 30 rupees in one trading session. Third stock that I am going to analyze for Friday's session is JSW Steel, and this stock also looks to be a multi-bagger one. I'll explain you the entire price action. This is the ultimate support level on the daily chart, and that support level got elevated to around 400. As we can see, price tried very hard, or the bears tried very hard to break the support level of 400. It did manage to do that, but they could not sustain due to growing buying pressure on the support level. In today's session, the buyers became more confident, and they came in numbers, as we can see, in terms of growing volume activity. And if we just draw a line from left hand side to right hand side, we can get a breakout zone, and I do not see any nearest breakout zone unless or until maybe around 420. I don't think so. It is a stronger breakout, a stronger resistance level. I was talking about resistance level, not a breakout level. So breakout level is above the high of today's candle, and the next smallish resistance level is around 420, and the big resistance is likely to come at 435. So we are looking at intraday gain of around 20 to 25 rupees. It can even go higher than that. So watch out for JSW Steel for trading in Friday's session. Fourth and final stock I have is Sun Pharma. So this is a clearly identifiable support level around 607 to 605. See how price is moving back and forth. The kind of a channel pattern was taken down in today's session. We can draw a horizontal line connecting the low and high till today's session. Let me do the analysis on hourly chart, and this is what I am looking at. This is a one up rally. As you can see, the low was not taken down, and the minor up rally, the low was maintained, and the current one, it is slowly growing, and this should at least grow and challenge the high of this rally, which is around 636. I told you, I explained you, the low is getting elevated. Buyers are coming in slowly and surely, and this should be a decent stock to trade for day trading. These are the levels which I have chalked out based on the analysis. I hope you understand the meaning of trailing the stop loss. If you don't, please comment at this video so that I'll explain you, because I do not want anyone to lose out on a multi-bagger trade just because they trail their stop loss higher than usual. You have to trail the stop loss lower in case of multi-bagger trade. So if you have any question regarding the stocks for Friday's session, or if you have any stock that you are looking for, please ask me regarding that in the comment box. And thank you for watching this video. Enjoy the holiday on tomorrow and get ready for Friday's session. Thank you for watching.